Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a skybox. A skybox is a fundamental technique in three-dimensional graphics used to create the illusion of a distant environment. Imagine a giant cube surrounding your game world. Each interface of this cube displays a texture, forming a seamless backdrop. This method significantly enhances visual immersion, making your virtual world feel much larger and more complete without needing to render distant geometry. It's a clever way to add depth and atmosphere to any scene. Now let's talk about preparing your skybox assets. The quality of your skybox heavily relies on its textures. You'll need 6 high-resolution images, one for each face of the cube: front, back, left, right, top, and bottom. It's vital that these textures seamlessly connect at their edges to avoid visible seams when rendered. Many artists use photo editing software or dedicated skybox generation tools to create these panoramic images, ensuring a cohesive and realistic environment. Once your textures are ready, the next step is integrating them into your game engine. First, import all 6 texture files into your project. Then, create a new skybox material within the engine's asset browser. You'll assign each of your 6 textures to the corresponding face of this material, ensuring they are correctly oriented. Finally, apply this newly created skybox material to your scene's environment or world settings. Remember to fine-tune your scene's lighting to complement the skybox for a unified look. To get the best results from your skybox, consider these tips. Always optimize your texture resolutions. While high quality is good, excessively large textures can impact performance. Some engines also support a single equirectangular texture, which can simplify the setup process. Crucially, ensure your skybox's lighting and color palette align perfectly with your scene's ambient light and overall mood. Finally, test your skybox on various target platforms to guarantee a consistent and visually appealing experience for all players.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.